course, it's in eastonuniversity.com, but I'm going to teach it to you right now because there's two things that we do that screw this up really bad. Number one, we don't ask, right? Like, we got to start asking for testimonials. Number two, we try and coach the person. The more you try and coach for what you want, the less you get what you want. And here's why. We turn into, back when we were kids in grade school, and the first few times in your scholastic career when a teacher's like, you guys can get to this whenever, it's due by the end of March. All of us waited until the freaking last day and did our homework, and we dreaded it and we did a terrible job. The more you say, hey, can you make a video testimonial about tell me how wonderful it was to work with me, blah, 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 blah. The more you give them instructions, the more anxiety that they get about screwing up that assignment. So what I do is just go like this. I listen. I'm listening for the secret word, the secret code. And the secret code is two words that sound like this. Thank you. And anytime somebody says thank you to me, I go, my pleasure. Hey, you couldn't do me a small favor, could you, Larry? Sure, right? If they're a smart ass, they go, depends on what it is, right? But they all say one of two of those things. Sure, depends on what it is. I go, is there any way you can take your phone and just point it at your face? Like, I dumb it down to like the most human level. Is there any way you can take your phone and point it at your face and just kind of record what you like best about working with us? Man, I would love to share that with our prospects, with our people here at the company. I throw this in because it's the truth. I never teach my people to lie. I'm like, I want to show this to my family because I'm freaking never around and I'm always working, and like, I would love to show them from somebody that like, hey, this is really helping them. They're like, oh, heck yeah, I got you, right? And this is something I can speak with on authority, because I have 2,600 of these. 2,600 of these. The website, that page of our website, Easton University /testimonials, breaks. That is the single most breaking, because it's too heavy with video. They start cutting out the videos on there. There's so many of them. And all I have done is waited for people to say thank you. And I'm like, yo, couldn't do me a small favor, could you? They're like, sure, buddy. Man, I closed a huge deal. Could you take your phone and point it at your face? And then there's no like, they don't feel any anxiety, right? They're like, oh yeah, hey, I love work. And by the way, when you keep it like that, that's when you get some of these video testimonials I have, like they literally had to Dropbox it to me because the length was too long. I prefer short ones, but they're like, let me give you the 10 reasons why I love, like they'll give you more than you wanted because you don't put any homework assignments. So listen to the words, thank you. Right? I see Rick there with his painting company. Game changer for Rick. Hey, Rick, man, dude, we just got to the house. It looks great. It smells great. You were so right. Rick, you were so right on spending a little bit more to get the paint without the fumes. My wife, this is the first time ever we've painted anything where she's not feeling like we got to get a hotel for a week after. You're the best, Rick. Oh, man, I love it. Couldn't do me a small favor, could you? Sure. What is it, Rick? Could you take your phone, point it at your face, say what you love best about working with me? Hey, man, this is Matt. This is my wife back here, Heather. We just got our house painted from Rick's company. They are amazing. They're on it. Rick is totally honest. Rick is forthright. Rick will communicate with you the best. Do not paint your house with anybody else, right? And that's all he had to do was listen for the words, thank you, and say, hey, can you point this thing at this general area and just say what you like best, right? Would love to share it. Makes, you know, and they end up doing it.